activity. So I'm going to light a candle. As you can see, the candle is burning or the candle is lit at present. And this activity proves that why the burning takes place. Oxygen is important. Okay. Now let's cut off the oxygen supply by taking this cylindrical glass tumbler. What do you think should happen when I invert it over this? Raise your hands for the answers. Okay, yes, you said there.
So the oxygen will not there and it's burning, then it will just off light. It will stop burning.
Okay, it will stop burning. And Manus tell?
The burning needs oxygen. The candle needs oxygen to light. If we close the oxygen supply, the candle will not burn.
Okay, that's both of them have said correct. Because I am inverting this glass tumbler over this candle. Now observe. Look at the flame. Okay, as you can see, slowly, the candle flame is getting dim. Still not yet off. Okay, still. Let's hold on for some more time. What happened? The candle flame goes off. Now, as they said, what was the reason? What was the reason? Okay, not the same student. Now somebody else. Yes.
Oxygen supply is stopped. The fire is not getting support to flame. So candle is stopped burning.
Yes. So this activity proved that means in the air, oxygen gas is also present. So the air is a mixture of many gases. So what do we conclude from the activity? That air is a mixture of many gases, and one of the gas which is essential for burning is oxygen. So when we put this glass tumbler over it, what has happened? The blockage here, we are blocking the air to come. By that what happened? Whatever oxygen was there inside this is used up, and therefore the candle stopped burning.